But somehow these workers always end up on the bottom.
On December 8, 2008, he was a governor trying to get in the national spotlight, joining a movement of blue-collar workers fighting back against the banks who receive federal bailout money.
We expect those banks to bail out businesses like this to keep them afloat and keep these workers working.
Rod Blagojevich stood with the employees of Republic Windows and Doors, a group of workers who refused to give up their jobs just because their company was closing down, while reporters were waiting for darkness to fall on the Illinois governor's career.
Do you think the cloud that hangs over you is going to taint your pick?
I don't believe there's any cloud that hangs over me.
Well, getting back to that, can we discuss
I think there's nothing but sunshine hanging over me.
The next day, Blagojevich became the national spotlight when he was arrested on charges related to pay-for-play politics. He is notoriously accused of trying to sell then-President-elect Obama's open Senate seat.
The conduct would make Lincoln roll over in his grave. The governor's own words describing the Senate seat, quote, "It's a bleeping valuable thing, you just don't give it away for nothing." Close quote.
Recording Blagojevich's phone calls for 2 months, the federal government built an impressive corruption case against him. Northwestern University law professor Albert Altshuler says the prosecutor, U.S. Attorney Patrick Fitzgerald, is almost invincible. Fitzgerald's office already sent the previous governor, George Ryan, to prison.
That we have a more aggressive prosecutor than most other places do. I mean, the U.S. Attorney's Office has made a real high priority of rooting out government corruption.
Blagojevich immediately took his case to the public. After being removed from office by the state legislature, he went on a media blitz, becoming a fill-in radio talk show host.
Ready? Good morning. This is former Governor Rod Blagojevich. How are you? And this is a time for a little more conversation and a little less action.
Appearing on national television shows like The Celebrity Apprentice.
I'm competing because I've been wronged and maliciously accused of things I didn't do. I'm fighting back.
And talking with anyone who would listen to him.
How you doing, Governor? Heard you boxing.
Yeah, Golden Gloves.
Golden Gloves? Yeah. They're trying to knock you out the box now, though, man. You fighting.
I'm still fighting for you guys, man.
Correct. Keep your head up like Tupac, Governor. Go good.
Thanks, guys.
I just got out, too, so I know the legal system. You might be spending a little time there. So.
No, sir. No, sir.
Altshuler says Blagojevich's publicity parade is not likely going to do him a lot of good during the trial.
Well, you wonder whether that's strategy or whether he just likes to be on television and is going to enjoy his freedom while he still has it.
The former governor knows his own story, and he wants to hear the hundreds of hours of wiretap recordings in court.
Play the truth. Play the whole truth. Play nothing but the truth. Play all the tapes.
A jury will decide if Illinois will send its second straight governor to prison. Mark Carlson, The Associated Press, Chicago.
What's your strategy as you go ahead here?